Okay, thank you, leaders. Firstly, we do have a legal disclaimer. Daisy is a crowdfunding. Please take a screenshot about a legal disclaimer about Endotech as well as Daisy. I will just go straight and shoot to the point without waste of time. I know most people are already back at work. So the target launch date was yesterday. And so far, all of us, we are still waiting for the link and we're excited. We just need to be patient leaders because this is a smart contract, and a smart contract is going to be based on a blockchain technology. Anything that goes onto blockchain technology, there are no mistakes. There's not even a single gap that needs to go with a mistake, because we'll rather have problems now than having problems in the future. It will just affect the whole system. I've been in the cryptocurrency industry for the past 6 years, and I understand smart contracts, what it does. Once it has been launched on a blockchain, there is no space for mistakes. So let's just be patient leaders and ensure that you just communicate with the person who referred you to Daisy. There's a lot of scammers. I want to warn each and every one of you in this meeting. In the crypto space, there's a lot of scammers that are always targeting big companies, especially during the launch date. You are going to get people who are going to claim that they have a link that does not exist. The only person that you are supposed to trust is the one that has told you information about Daisy. Do not trust anyone. That is the very important point. In the crypto space, there's a lot of scammers, leaders, and you are going to be scammed. No one is going to be held accountable if you go and get the link to somebody that you don't even know because they promised you and they said that they have a link. It doesn't exist. Again, I just want to, a quick reminder, please ensure that you do have a clever wallet. There's the wallet that is recommended by the company. It's called Clever Wallet. Do not use the Tron wallets that are coming from local exchanges like Binance. A lot of people know Binance, Altcoin Trader, and other centralized exchanges. This is a smart contract, therefore you will be requested to use a DEP, decentralized wallet. Wallets that is recommended by Daisy, very, very important leaders. The wallet is called Clever Wallet. So let's just get straight to the point. What exactly is Daisy? Daisy is an equity crowdfunding model for financial technologies. This is a decentralized smart contract. It is not a company. What does this mean? It means that if it's a decentralized smart contract, it cannot be hacked. It is transparent. A smart contract, anyone can be able to see the transactions happening in blockchain. So this is a model where everyone is going to win. Number one, with profits. Number two, with equity and income. So currently crowdfunding is with Endotech. This is a Daisy AI project. We are going to talk about Endotech as we continue. Contributors are going to receive exclusive stock, equity, and profit rewards from Daisy project. Okay, now let's talk about the Daisy AI. This is an artificial intelligence system which is being developed by Endotech. Daisy AI, when I say AI, just know that this is an abbreviation for artificial intelligence. Daisy artificial intelligence is the next generation of the AI trading, and it will definitely increase or multiply the current performance of these AI robots. So you probably asking yourself, what is the current performance of this robot that everybody's talking about, and why are all the leaders all over the world are excited about the Daisy project? We are going to talk about the current performance of this robot, which was developed by Endotech. Daisy AI is the first project capitalized by Daisy Crowd Fund. Daisy AI will receive 10 million for development from the referral plan. So the target for live Daisy AI is about 500 million, which is the Daisy crowd fund. And then Daisy AI is Endotech's path to becoming a public company. Remember, I did mention on the previous slide that Daisy is not a company, but Daisy is a crowdfunding. This is a project that was founded by Endotech. So they are going to work together with the main company, which is Endotech. So now Daisy is just a pathway to becoming a public company through Daisy. Okay, moving on. So who exactly is Endotech? Let's talk about Endotech because all of us, we are busy talking about Daisy, but who is Endotech? How does Endotech fit into the big picture of Daisy? The first technology partner for Daisy Crowd Fund is Endotech. So this is a global fintech company which is currently specializing in the AI trading system. So this company has already been existing for the past 8 years. It is not a new company. However, Endotech is having a partnership with Daisy. Daisy is a project, and then Endotech, think about it as a mother. So there's a roadmap to complete Daisy AI and to be publicly traded in 2022. Most of us, especially in South Africa, I'm saying South Africa because I see a huge number of us are based here in South Africa. We all know about JSE, which is just here in Sandton. The Johannesburg Stock Exchange, they list the companies so that you can buy the shares. Now, the bigger picture here is that Endotech would want, the main aim would be to get Endotech listed and publicly traded in 2022. Right now, we are in 2021, which means we are getting closer. They are currently providing an AI trading system for top financial systems. As we speak, Endotech is already providing these artificial intelligence trading systems to the top financial institutions. They even have a proven track record of the high performance results. Now, Endotech was founded by Dr. Anna Becker. Dr. Anna Becker has operated in the top AI scientists. So let's quickly look at Dr. Anna. Who exactly is Dr. Anna? Dr. Anna Becker is a woman. I am so excited for the first time in the history of the MLM industry, especially in the crypto space. I get to see a woman pioneering such a big company and with such an amazing background. The history of this woman, at the age of 20, she found an approximate algorithm by a factor of 2. And by the way, when I was doing my research, I found out that Dr. Anna Becker, it's not the first time that she will be dealing with the kind of investment, the kind of money that Daisy will be raising. Actually, she has experience in managing over $1 billion investment previously. So money is not the first thing to her. She is used to money. But to top all of this, she's got a PhD in the artificial intelligence. I love this woman. I love to hear women making big waves in the industry, especially in the industry that is led by 99.9%. This industry of crypto is led by men. So this is amazing to see that a woman is pioneering such a big institution. Going forward, if you do find time, please have a look at the Financial Commission. This is just a screenshot to show you that even a financial commission, they recognize Dr. Anna Becker. Her amazing work that she has done in the artificial intelligence space is speaking for itself. And another thing that was just a highlight for me when I was researching about Dr. Anna Becker, I realized that she has worked with the Financial Commission. Her job was to basically look at the companies, the financial sector companies that were claiming that they are traders, they are trading. And if she finds out that the companies are not trading, her responsibility was to shut down those companies. So for me, this is definitely a yes. We are definitely going to run with Daisy because we are dealing with a woman of intelligence and a woman who knows exactly what she's doing because she knows the rules in the industry. Now, let's talk about these amazing products that are offered by Endotech. The screenshots that you see currently in front of you, this is a long and short position, which is a robot that the company Endotech is currently using. The minimum capital. So if you want to go straight to Endotech and you want Endotech to trade for you, you are more than welcome. By the way, if you didn't know, Endotech is already having huge clients. They have a huge number of clients. They are utilizing these robots. They are making profit. So that is why we are able to see the history or the previous performance that these institutions and these individuals have benefited from. So now let's look at this. Currently, if you want to go straight to Endotech, you will need a minimum of 1 million US dollars. A minimum of 1 million US dollars is a lot of money, ladies and gentlemen. On top of that, you will be expected to pay 125,000 US dollars as the fee. If you look at the previous performance of this alpha long and short position, it has from January 2018, it has performed very well. Actually, this is excellent. I myself, I'm a trader. I do trade purely cryptocurrencies, and making 2,200% in a period of 3 years is just a big deal. If you look at the average annual performance of this robot, clearly you can see that this robot is good because it has managed to produce 800% profit. 800% profit per annum. Those who are traders, they know us, we are human beings, we have emotions. As a trader, it is very scary when you look at your cryptocurrencies and they drop like nobody's business and there's nothing you can do. The only thing that you can do, you are scared, you just sell. A robot is something that has an algorithm. It does not perform like us human beings. So I personally, I am very comfortable as a trader knowing that there are losses in trading as well as profits, but I'm very, very much comfortable in making 800% per annum. In case you just wondering how much money you can expect from the packages that you're going to be buying, we are going to talk about that. We do not have a daily percentage. We do not have a monthly percentage or even a weekly percentage because this is real trading happening live in your back office. So the only thing that we can share with you is the current performance of these artificial intelligence. They are currently making 800% on a yearly basis. I'm going to move further and show you another strategy, which is called top leverage strategy, another robot that Endotech has been testing in the past few months. And if you can see the start date of this robot, it was started on the 1st of September and the screenshot was done in November. Ladies and gentlemen, clearly this is 2 months if you do your calculations. 10,000 US dollars was deposited into this robot, and by the 9th of November, the current balance of this robot was 39,748. By the way, I just saw a screenshot of the latest updates. This robot is currently sitting at over 80,000 US dollars, which means it has even surpassed the 300% that you see in front of you. I'm so excited as a trader to know that there's a robot that can give me such percentages. However, I must make you aware that Past performance does not guarantee any future performance. Any trading is risky. However, we are comfortable with having the results that are being produced by these amazing robots because they do not have emotions. They act on a certain algorithm that was designed by an amazing lady by the name of Dr. Anna Becker. The next screenshot is basically exactly what I've been looking for in the MLM industry. The first screenshot is basically showing you what you are going to see in the back office when Daisy goes live, a $100 package, which is the first screenshot. 50% of the package that you are going to take is going to go for trading through Endotech. 50% of it is going to go for crowdfunding for the AI development to improve the current performance of the robot, which is currently giving Endotech clients between 400 to 800%. The next screenshot is basically what you are going to see in your back office in terms of the network marketing side, as well as your amount that is being traded, plus the level that you would have reached. And the last slide, which was when I saw this, I said, yes, definitely I'm in. I'm loving Daisy because of the transparency. We are going to get to see our money being traded in the back office. If you've deposited $100, you will be able to see your trade open in the morning. And when it closes in the evening, you will be able to see that you've made a certain amount of profits. However, just remember, because it's real trading, we cannot tell you how many trades will be opened in a day. 5 trades can be opened, 1 trade can be opened. At the end of the day, or at the end of the trade, when it closes, you will be able to see the percentage that you would have made from your capital. Now, let's quickly look at the roadmap. I'm not going to waste a lot of time on the roadmap, but just to go through, this company was registered or founded in 2012, and in 2017, that's when they started and developed the AI trading robots. In 2018, the commercial use of these AI robots started, and as you can see, in 2023, they are adding stock AI trading to the Daisy Crowd Fund. And one of the journeys, if you look somewhere there in 2022, Endotech, their plan is to go public, which is just 1 year from now. Now, let's quickly look at the rewards for contributions. Up to 10 crowdfunding packages to choose from, starting just from a mere $100. Every contributor will get their equal share of the 5% Endotech stock. Remember, I did mention that the Daisy project is the pathway for Endotech to go public, to be traded. I even made an example with the JSE Stock Exchange. So 50% to 70% of the contribution will be used for trading development. 70% of the trading profits are rewarded back to contributors. 15% of the trading profits are then rewarded to residual referral plan. Contributors can withdraw their trading rewards at any time. If you wake up in the morning, you want to go and buy your Brazilian hair or your bag, you just know that you have access to your money anytime. All members are able to participate in the Daisy referral plan so long as your trading account is still open. As a member, you are allowed to participate in the referral plan. The referral plan will then pay up to 46% of each member's contribution. Now, let's quickly look at the smart contracts. I've been talking about the distribution of the funds. As you can see, we are going to use Tron wallets. We've advised the leaders. Everybody is ready. We've funded our accounts. Then Endotech is the company that is going to be trading through Daisy. And then the Daisy contribution, if you look at this, 50 to 70% is going to go to your live trading account. This is going to depend on the package that you are going to come in with. Everyone who's going to come with the package 1 to pack 7, 50% of your money is going to go for trading. And everyone who's going to come from package 8 to package 10, 70% of your money is going to go for trading, and 30% is going to go for referral plan, and the rest of the 50% again is going to go for the referral plan. Now let's quickly look at the reasons why Tron blockchain. Tron allows automated interaction between members and Daisy. Some people might be aware that when you are using a smart contract, there's also another cryptocurrency called Ethereum. Ethereum is also compatible with a smart contract. However, if you've been in the industry, you will know that Ethereum gas fees are really, really high. So at the end of the day, I can see big leaders that are going to be making millions in the system, and you don't want to make a million, and at the end of the day, 5% of your money is gone just because of the Ethereum gas fees. So leaders, this is one of the reasons why Daisy chose Tron as a form of payment, and it just simply makes sense because the fees are really cheap and the transactions are very fast. In a smart contract, you really need to have transactions moving fast, because every time a member is signing up, you get paid instantly into your wallet. The money doesn't even go to the company. It is a smart contract. That is the power of technology. That is the power of blockchain technology. Tron blockchain, like I did say already, is the fastest and the most scalable coin. I've already spoke about the gas fees. Tron is one of the top emerging decentralized app platform with a very big future. By the way, if you look at coin market cap for traders and for people who are already familiar with the industry in the crypto, coin market cap, that's where you get to see all these coins. You will see Tron is one of the top 20 coins listed there. So just know that when you get paid in Trons, chances are when your money is still sitting in your wallet, you're still gaining more in terms of the value, because this Tron coin is very powerful. Now let's move forward and talk about the passive income. There's benefits even if a member that does not refer a single soul in Daisy, they get to make money. Number one, you are going to own an equity, potential of retaining the selling of the Endotech stock. Remember my example with the JSE, when the shares are listed, you're going to benefit from the dividends in future. Number two, the trading rewards. There is a potential rewards from a successful trading performance of these amazing artificial intelligence robots from Endotech. Then number three, there's going to be a potential metric spillover. Guys, I am so excited. What is going to happen the first 48 hours when the company is launching? People are going to get massive spillover. The generating maximum of 48% without recruiting a single soul in the business. You will get a potential of earning 48% return on the crowdfunding contribution from those spillovers in the referral plan, even with no referrals. Okay, so let's quickly look at the crowdfund table. The packages that you're going to be coming in with, the money that will be deposited in your trading account. If you look at the second column, you will see that the first package will cost you $100. The second package will cost you $300. The third package is going to cost you $700. If you know that you want to come in with entry 3, just prepare Trons that are worth $700. Now, some members were confused. Just please look at the first column and just know that it is showing you the difference between the packages that you're going to come in with if you want to upgrade. Let's make an example. You come in with $100. You just got paid from a spillover and you want to upgrade to level 2. You already have package 1. Level 2 is $300. But the only amount that you are going to pay to upgrade to level 2 is $200. Same thing is going to happen. You are now at entry 2. You want to upgrade to entry 3, which is $700. You will need a difference of $400. So this column is just showing you the money that you will have to pay in terms of the difference if you want to upgrade from your current entry to the next one. Entry 1 to entry 7, I did explain that 50% is going to go for trading and 50% is going to go for Daisy Crowd for improving of the artificial intelligence. Over and above that, you are going to get, for each and every $100, you are going to get 1 share. For each and every, the higher the package, the higher the number of shares you are going to get with the Daisy program. Now, let's quickly look at the referral plan. This one is definitely what everybody's waiting for. This is why most leaders are packed in this meeting. It is because of this amazing referral plan that pays up to 46%. There's an upfront income, which is a 3x10 matrix bonus. I'm not going to read all of this. It's just a long list. It's a lot of money. Most people are going to make money. They are going to change lives. Their lives are going to be changed because of this amazing compensation plan. So let's quickly look at the personal referral bonus. Each and every single personal referral you are going to bring to Daisy when they buy their packages for trading, you are going to earn 5% direct bonus from all your personal referrals. Every person who is going to use your link to sign up, you will get 5% of it. They're coming in with a $10,000 package, you get 5%. They're coming in with $100, you get 5%. That one is just called a direct bonus. The next one, this is just an example to show you how a forced matrix works. So it's going to be a 3x10 forced matrix, and I know leaders that most of us are already used to a binary structure. However, this one is quite different because it's a forced matrix, which means that you are going to have your 3 empty spaces after you have signed up, and those empty spaces might be filled in by the spillovers, because I personally haven't been sleeping in the past 48 hours. I haven't even slept in the past not 24, 48 hours, because people want to know what is Daisy, why everyone is excited all over the world, not just in Africa. All crypto enthusiasts are making noise about Daisy. Why Daisy? So you are definitely, I can even say guaranteed, but I don't want to say that. Most of leaders are definitely going to get the spillovers because of the metrics that Daisy is providing. So let's just quickly look at this, the metrics bonus. I did mention earlier on that your first generation, when you come into this business, even if you're not recruiting a single soul, you just want your money being traded by Endotech because you are happy with the results that they've produced in the past 3 years trading cryptocurrencies. They've been able to consistently give their clients and the top institutions between 400 to 800%. If you are happy with that and you say, you know what, I love this business. It just makes sense that Dr. Anna Baker is such an amazing record. I cannot miss this trade. Therefore, it means you need to open your eyes and listen to this very, very carefully. If you have a pen and paper, just take it and get ready to write this down. Now, you're going to get a spot in the matrix. 3 empty spaces will be opened automatically below your empty space, below your structure. And then what is going to happen? Potentially, you will get spillovers from your leaders. Example, me, because I haven't been sleeping in the past 48 hours. Everyone who's going to be a spillover, any person who's going to show in your metrics, even if you don't know them, you are going to get paid 4% of the package that they're going to come in with, even if you did not refer anyone. That's how amazing this compensation plan is. Now, if you look at the second generation, you are still going to get paid, even if you haven't referred anyone. So whether you like it or not, Mtakama, just know that you are going to get paid, even if you did not recruit. As long as you have a spillover within your metrics, you are going to get 4%. Now, the very important point that I want you to make notes on is that just be careful of the package that you are going to buy, because it is the one that is going to determine how much money you can earn from the 4%. Let's look at example number 1. Person A comes in and joins with a $100 package. They get spillovers for a $100 package. It means they are going to earn 4% of the $100 package. Somehow, you get a spillover that comes in with a $10,000 package. Example, you are sitting with a package of a $100 package. You are still going to earn 4%. However, the 4% that you are going to earn will be based on the package that you came in with. Now, what is going to happen to the rest of the money? Because somebody must get paid. Remember, this money has been budgeted for. We know there's 15% coming from the compensation plan above. There's certain 15% that would go for a residual. It means the rest of the money will compress up to your sponsor. Let me repeat an example of 10,000. Someone comes in as a spillover. They come in with a $10,000 package. You are supposed to earn that money. Guess what? You are going to get paid 4%. However, the 4% will be based on the package that you came in with. If you came in with $100, you are going to get paid 4% of the $100. The rest of the $900, 4% of that will compress up to your sponsor. This is very, very important for leaders, especially the builders, to understand that when you go for a smaller package and it means that you are going to get paid 4%. However, your 5%, you will just have to, you're going to lose that other rest of the money. You would have made 4% of the $10,000, but now because your package is less, it's just going to go to your sponsor. I personally don't want my sponsor to make this money. I will try by all means that my package is high. With that being said, moving on, now you know that when you come in, you will still get paid from the spillovers. Now let's look at the builders, the ones that are saying, I want to maximize the compensation plan. In order for you to open up on earning on level 3, you will need to personally sponsor 3 people. You will need to personally sponsor 3 people, and the total sales, the packages that they're going to come in with, must be a total of $1,000, and then you will open up to earn even from the spillovers. 27 people who are going to come to your metrics. Some of them you don't know. They'll be coming from all these countries, even Russia. You know, all these countries. We've seen these meetings. They're always packed. There's even countries that we never knew. Countries. Oh my gosh, I've never seen such a business. You are going to earn 3% from 27 people. You move further, you enroll 6 people, and you make sales of $2,000. This just goes further and further and further down. So the main aim for the leaders that wants to maximize on the compensation plan will be the strategy, because I've been getting a lot of calls. What is the strategy? How can I maximize this compensation plan? Number 1, just ensure that you have your 24 directly sponsored, meaning all your 24 people must use your link, and you will need to make $128,000 in total of the sales from all your 24 directs, and you are going to make a lot of money. And that is the metrics bonus. Now that you understand that you are going to earn 4%, 4%, 3%, 3%, 3%, 3%, 3%, at the end, imagine how many people will be sitting in your level 9 and level 10, and you still get to earn 4%. I've been in the MLM industry. Most compensation plans that I've worked with, they go 4%, 3%, 2%, 2.1, 1%, 1%, 1%, 0.10. You know it, leaders. We've seen it. We've been in the industry enough to understand this. If you do your maths, you know what's coming for you. I'm going to move further to the next bonus, which is called Matrix Check Matching Bonus. This bonus is amazing because this is when now you need to really, really work with your team members. This is when you ensure that each and every single person you bring into this business, they make money, because when they make money, it means you are going to make money. Whatever money that your personally sponsored are going to make here on the Matrix bonus, you are going to make 10% of that. Every single person that is going to use your link, and when they make money on this Matrix bonus I just explained, you are going to make 10%. Think about that leader that you are going to work with, and you know for sure deep down your heart that you are going to groom this leader. They are going to even go further to level 7, to level 8, $19,600 US. Can you imagine making 10% of that and you have 24 leaders under you? Just do the math. It's something to think about. This is the reason why we are not sleeping, and we're ensuring that our leaders understand the compensation plan. Therefore, they can even teach their downlines. I'm going to move. Oh my gosh, it's too much money. Guys, you can see for yourself, the slides are just continuing. Pay setter bonus. This is one of the bonuses that is making all the leaders not sleep at night. So what is this pay setter bonus? A pay setter bonus is the bonus that is going to be received by a leader that is going to sign up 24 direct or personally sponsored people, and they are going to make 128,000 US in terms of the sales. All the packages combined, 128,000 US. When you do that within a period of 30 days from day one of signing up with Daisy, you are going to get a profit sharing in 1.8% of all crowdfunding and 1.25. Oh my gosh, the numbers are even confusing me. Leaders, it's too much money, I can't even read it. 1.25% of all worldwide trading profits, which means each and every package that is going to be coming into this project, you are going to make 1.25% of that. It's a lot of money. Do the math. And if I think about the businesses that I have built previously with some of the leaders that are also here that we've worked with in a compensation plan, and we've made the sales, just 1%, any 1%, every time a person is buying a package, that is huge. I think by now I'll be rich. But it's never too late when you are being presented by a business opportunity like this. When the time has come, the time has come. We have found gold. Leaders, this is gold. If you don't see this, I don't know. I'm trying to open your eyes. Okay, and then there's gold pay setter bonus. Let me just quickly discuss the leadership bonus, how it works. Now, this is going to ensure that when you work this business, you are going to hold your leaders by hand. The pay setter leader bonus, this is how it works. When you produce 3 directly or personally sponsored members who are becoming gold pay setters, you also qualify automatically for earning 1.8% of every contribution worldwide and 1.25% of the trading profits are divided between all the qualified leaders based on the pool shares. You can take a screenshot, can ask your leader to send you this presentation. Do not sleep, because when you sleep, you are going to forget. You're going to wake up in the morning and you're going to forget what I talk about. Ask your leaders when we exit this Zoom meeting, ask your leader to send you this presentation so that you understand clearly what is happening. Another bonus, unilevel residual trading bonus. Now, in the network marketing space, we all know that the months are not the same. You are going to work your business. You are going to work, and you've worked your business previously. You know deep down your heart that you've done that. And you got paid 200,000 rand, 500,000 rand in a month. Some people, some leaders, I even know leaders who made 1 million, but it is not sustainable. It is a fact. It's the nature of the MLM industry, because the compensation plan that we've involved ourselves into, they did not allow us to maximize on a residual income. We will get an opportunity to continually earn from the residual earnings. The people that are going to be signing up using your link in your business, all of them, every single soul that is going to sign up, and they will be sitting on your level 1, you will be earning 3.5% of their trading rewards. Remember, your money is still trading in Endotech, and it means the profits that people will be making at the end of the day. I did say that ladies will be buying hair, ladies will be buying bags, they will withdraw their money, because remember, they have access to their money at any time. When they do that, you get to earn 3.5% of each and every withdrawal from your personally sponsored. Let me increase the volume just in case someone did not hear this. Every single person that you are going to refer to Daisy, they are going to buy a package to trade for trading through Endotech. Endotech will be trading for us, and we'll be earning the trading rewards. Every single time, the people that you are going to enroll, when they decide to withdraw their money, you will get to earn 3.5% of that. Over and above that, anyone that is sitting in your level 2, so they are personally sponsored people, they are kids, we call them in the generation, we normally say they are kids, you are going to get 1% from level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5, level 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1%. This is crazy. I have never seen anything like this in my past few years in this industry. I have never. Someone withdraws their money from the trading account, I get to get paid from that. For me, that's amazing. You will earn, obviously, the terms and conditions apply for those people who will be earning from level 3 to level 10, the same requirements on the metrics where you have to refer 6 people, 3 people, it still applies in order for you to open up to earn from level 3 to level 10. So I just wanna quickly remind those ones who just came here because they saying I can't recruit, I don't know how to talk to people. It is our responsibility to ensure that we present the business opportunity. Your responsibility is to go out there, chow your money, and share that you've made money, and you just share the Zoom link. You invite people to presentations. You don't have to know how to present. You don't have to be good to do these presentations, because we are here to serve. We will be doing these presentations on a daily basis, twice a day. So to accommodate everyone, people who are working and those people who get time during the day. So relax, take your seat, step back, go out there and share. Tell people that there's amazing opportunity. There's something that have never been seen in the crypto space, in the MLM industry, and we will be doing the work. So there is no limit on the residual income, which is very interesting, because in a lot of businesses, I myself that I've been involved in, you will get to be limited. When you make 1 million from the earnings, just from withdrawing, some companies will limit you and they will say, okay, you've reached the cap. There is no cap. This last sentence, no limit on the residual income. We have come to the end of the presentation, but before we close, I would like to say that leaders, please ensure that when you are enrolling, when you are sharing the information with your potentials, I know that some of them, they are already clued up with the depths they already have the Tron wallet, just remind them that Daisy, in order for you to sign up with Daisy, it is recommended that you have a Clever wallet. Clever wallet, we are going to be using Trons, like I mentioned, the reasons why. So these are the 3 recommended, but the best app that you can download is called Clever with a K. And another wallet you can use in case your phone does not support Clever wallet, you can then download Tron wallet or Tron link. But the best one is Clever wallet. I also received questions, how are we going to get paid? The same wallet that you would be using, that is where your money is going to go to. The money will get into your wallet instantly. That's the minute your members are done with signing up. When it says successfully, you get paid instantly. There is no waiting period. That is the power of technology, ladies and gentlemen. This is the reason why I love technology. Instant money that comes in without a waste of time. So this is the end of my presentation. I would like to thank everyone. We are packed, 102 members. Wow, this is amazing. I think only 1 or 2 people left. We were 104, now we are 102. This is very exciting. Thank you so much for your patience. Thank you for listening to my tiny voice. Together we create history. Daisy, decentralized artificial intelligence system. Let us unlock the power of technology in Africa. We all know the time right now. It is COVID-19. It is very difficult for some people to even make money. Even we have family members that are losing their jobs because of this disease. It is very sad. It's very sad, and we are very lucky network marketers that we get to find such opportunities when other people don't even know them. We are very lucky and we are blessed. Thank you so much, leaders, for your patience. Thank you so much for just spending 1 hour into listening to this presentation. So we are excited. Soon, we are going to send the links. The minute we get the link, you will get it on time. Don't worry, don't stress. I'm not sure if we would like to take the questions and answers. Some of them I might not be able to answer, but I'll just go through them. I'll read one by one. There is no audio. Really? Please send us the recording after the meeting. Keep on losing you. Okay, noted, leader Paul. We recorded this presentation. Thanks to leader Zanele for reminding us. Okay, I'll try and read the questions louder. If me and my sponsor have lesser package and my downline or my spillover buys a bigger package, are we all going to get 5%? In this case, only myself will get it because we have the same package. Okay, with regards to the 5% direct bonus, that 5% is only for your own, personally sponsored. So every person that is going to use your link, you are going to get 5%. Your sponsor is not going to get 5%. You are the one who's going to get 5%. That 5% is specifically for the direct bonus. I hope you are not confusing the two between the matrix bonus and the other bonus, direct. Leader, do powerhouse. Thank you. I'm humbled. Thank you so much. Leader Tepo, I think you might have a problem with your sound because it looks like everyone can hear me. Thank you, Mantombela, much. And thank you, leader. Well done, my daughter. Thank you, mommy. Thank you much. Appreciated. I'm excited, leaders. Can't wait. Thanks for the great presentation, my leader. Promise. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you very much. What times are presentation had 2 times? We usually have presentations at 1 o'clock South African time and 9 o'clock South African time. Question CE. Can I use Tron Link Pro because I had challenges with the other two apps. I cannot swap or buy Bitcoins to Trons. Leader, those are challenges with the other two. I'm thinking that you probably have the challenge with the phone. The phone that you're having does not allow. We've seen it happening to a lot of people who are using different phones. You can definitely use Tron Link Pro. We will be sending in groups. Please, leaders, do share the information with your downlines. We are going to send the screenshots of which wallets are recommended. Just ensure that the Tron wallet you use is the dApp. It must allow a browser, because when you sign up, you need a browser where you are going to paste your link. Nomcebo, good job, leader. Well done. Thank you so much. Jonathan, can we have contact? Jonathan, I'm kind of lost. Please clarify. Thanks, Hilda. Thanks. Congratulations. What a presentation. Mind-blowing. Thanks, ma'am. Any chance of getting registration link tonight? Unfortunately, I cannot answer this question because we are all currently waiting for the announcement from the company. But please stay close to your sponsor. The minute we get the link, you will definitely get it as soon as possible. How do we benefit from the spillovers and the 10 generations unlocked within? Oh my God, Benedict, thank you so much. Thank you so much for reminding me about this. Leaders, please hold on. Please do not leave. Very important. How can I forget this? This is Benedict. Thank you so much for reminding me about this. Let me go back and explain. Oh, Jesus. Too much money. That's why. Okay, let me quickly go back to a matrix bonus. Leaders, please do not leave. Something very important. Come back. Okay, let's go back to this matrix bonus. Leaders, remember that you are required to personally sponsor 3 people and would need to make 1,000 sales in order for you to open up this level, and then you can earn from this level. However, the CEO of Daisy announced that the first 48 hours is very crucial when we are signing up, because here's what's going to happen. They are going to open up all levels. You are going to earn from level 1 to level 10, even if you did not qualify, you did not bring 3 people, you did not bring 6 people. The minute you sign up and you happen to get the spillovers, and those spillovers, they go up to level 10, guess what? You are going to get paid only between 48 hours of you signing up on the system. Thank you, Benedict, for reminding me about this. This is very important. This is why we are on fire. This is why we are ensuring that everybody is in the system. They're signing up fast within the first 48 hours. Iminyango ivuliwe. All the doors are opened. No requirements at all. You are going to earn 3%, 4%, 4%, 3%, 3%, 3%, 3%, even on level 10. If you happen to get a spillover and that spillover is sitting on level 10, you are going to get paid 4% of the packages that they're coming in with. But just remember, ensure that your package is high so that your money does not get compressed to your sponsor. Again, much appreciated, Benedict. Thank you for talking about this, because this is the reason why we are running like crazy. Crazy Daisy. 48 hours, very crucial in your business. Some people are going to become millionaires in 48 hours because of this. You sign up, no requirements. The minute you are in the system, you are going to get paid whenever there's a spillover. So that is the benefits, Benedict, that you are going to get on signing up and coming in as early as possible. And the first 48 hours is very crucial. Where was I? Questions. Okay. Leader Dimpo, thank you so much. Excellent presentation. You're welcome. What is the launch date? You will get notified as soon as we also get the update. So my 3 people don't have to amount to 1,000 US dollar investment. This, yes, you got it, 100% correct. C, SEA. Your 3 people does not have to amount to $1,000. In fact, even if you don't have 3 people, you will get paid. If you get a spillover on level 10, you are going to get paid. Even if your 3 people, 500, they signed up with the total amount, if investment is $500, definitely you are going to get paid, but only for 48 hours. Impompi, ayazi impompi. The tab is open. After 48 hours after 48 hours, then we are back to the same requirements. Terms and conditions apply. 3 members, 1,000 US dollars. Yeah, 48 hours, just push. Make sure your 48 hours, you're signing as many people as you can. Thank you so much, leaders. It was amazing. Thank you for your patience. Thank you so much. It is the end of the presentation. Mula, music, Daisy, Vuli, Daisy. Do you also get paid from spillovers when they upgrade? Definitely, when everyone is upgrading, even if there are spillovers, you're getting paid because they fall under your metrics. Thank you, leaders. Good night. Let's get back to work. We are not sleeping. It's been 48 hours. I begs. I haven't been sleeping. We are pushing last minute before we get the link so that we ensure all the leaders are within. Thank you and good night. Yes, we do have the recording. It will be sent. We will save the recording and it will be sent.